Hello, I'm Kristen King from the Investing Channel, and welcome to Wall Street Connected, the show that highlights what Wall Street's finest are researching online. Today, we're taking a look at a company that at one time was known by every high school student in the country, Texas Instruments. But the firm does much more than make calculators. Its main focus is on the design and manufacture of semiconductors and integrated circuits. According to Trackstar IQ, our proprietary search tracking tool, 49 institutional investors have researched this stock 333 times over the past week. And on the street, 16 analysts are covering the stock, and between them they have an 81% buy consensus. Looking at the chart, we can see that the stock is up around 17% year to date, but has range traded for several months in and around its all-time highs. So what's caught everyone's attention? Well, set against the backdrop of a semiconductor supply chain war, news of Texas's acquisition of Micron Technology's factory in Lehi, Utah for $900 million to boost its production capacity was well received, as was a bullish round of earnings results that saw the firm beat earnings per share and revenue forecasts. That's all we have time for today, but as usual, make sure you do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. To find out more about our Trackstar IQ data, sign up to our free newsletter at investingchannel.com/Trackstar.